Hello, and welcome to Modernizing Legacy Applications for Fun and Profit. The business value of any application is directly tied to the number of people that access it and the criticality of the business processes it encapsulates. Unfortunately, the most important business processes are generally embedded inside of the applications that are the least accessible, mainly because those processes are buried inside 20 to 30-year-old legacy applications running on a mainframe. There's nothing fundamentally wrong with these applications. But the challenge facing IT organizations today is how to make these applications and the business processes inside them more accessible to a broader range of users, both inside and outside the company. The single most effective way to accomplish that goal is to wrap them in a new browser interface that essentially provides a construct for accessing those applications in a way that is familiar to most end users. If for no other reason than making applications available in a form that people actually want to use, the most obvious benefit to modernizing legacy applications is to boost productivity. Once users no longer have to struggle with character-based commands on a green screen interface, they can get a lot more done each day. That not only improves morale, it leads to fewer data entry errors, resulting in better data quality across the entire organization. As a result, the IT organization is seen by the rest of the company as doing something concrete to materially improve the daily work experience of the employees, which provides one of those all-too-rare times when the IT staff gets to play the hero. To help IT organizations accomplish these goals, Attachmate created VeraStream, which is a set of tools that can be used to either create a new Web 2.0 presentation layer for legacy applications, or simply put the building blocks in place to allow other developers to build a custom front end to access those applications. In a world where the most important mandate for IT is to find ways to move critical processes out onto the web, modernizing legacy applications has become a strategic business imperative. Rather than incurring the expense of rewriting legacy applications that are either poorly documented or developed by people that are no longer with the company, VeraStream gives IT organizations a cost-effective way to extend the value of existing applications that have more than proven their value. In contrast, rewriting those applications not only means acquiring expensive new infrastructure, it often introduces major cultural changes to the business. That not only raises the specter of disrupting critical business processes in a way that will have an adverse effect on both profits and revenues, it creates an extended timeline for change at a time when everyone in the business is pressing for change. Furthermore, IT organizations can't be sure about how many ways those applications will need to be extended in the future. This is why VeraStream's ability to serve as a platform for customizing a legacy application is critical. Future web applications will have no discrete borders, so developers need a platform with which they can extend the functionality of a legacy application in almost any direction. VeraStream allows IT organizations to invoke a wide spectrum of web technologies, including HTML and cascading style sheets, to automatically rejuvenate the user interface of a legacy application, while putting the foundation in place to turn that application into an actual service tomorrow. The bottom line issue facing most IT organizations today is that millions of dollars have already been spent on creating a host of enterprise applications. The cost of replacing all those applications is simply prohibitive. That means IT organizations have to find a way to extend the business value of those applications in the simplest, easiest, and fastest way possible. VeraStream from Attachmate makes all that possible in a way that not only automates most of the work involved, but most importantly, doesn't need to break the IT budget to make it a reality.